What is HACCP? HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point. It's a food safety management system that aims to proactively identify food safety hazards and come up with steps to reduce or eliminate potential hazards from food production to food consumption. Implementing a HACCP system involves developing a plan that follows the 7 HACCP principles, which are as follows. Principle number 1, conduct a hazard analysis. Hazard analysis is carried out in 2 stages. 1. Identifying and listing the potential biological, chemical, or physical hazards associated with the production process. And 2. Evaluate hazards based on severity and likely occurrence. Upon completion of the 2 stages, a control measure is made to prevent the hazards. Principle number 2. Determine the critical control points, CCPs. A CCP is a step in the production process where there is an opportunity to prevent, mitigate, or completely eliminate a food safety hazard. A CCP decision tree can assist in determining whether a control point is a CCP. Principle number 3. Establish critical limits. Once you determine which steps are a CCP, you now have to establish critical limits for each identified CCP. A critical limit is the minimum and maximum value for the control measure at a critical control point to establish what is safe and acceptable. Principle number 4. Establish monitoring procedures. Monitoring CCPs on a regular basis helps determine if there's a deviation from the CCP or a loss of control. In monitoring CCPs, it's important to determine 1. What should be monitored? Could it be the food product's temperature, weight, pH levels, or more? 2. How should it be measured? What tools should be used? 3. How frequent should the monitoring be? 4. Who is the responsible person to perform this? Principle number 5. Establish corrective actions. Corrective actions are the steps to be followed every time there is a deviation from a critical limit. Principle number 6. Establish verification procedures. Validate if the HACCP system is producing the intended results. Examples of verification activities include product testing, in-plant observations, instrument calibration, and log reviews. Principle number 7. Establish record-keeping and documentation procedures. A detailed HACCP plan serves as evidence that the food is indeed safe and has undergone critical procedures to cover all possible risks. Using digital checklists can be very useful to materialize and execute your HACCP plan. A seamless execution of HACCP in your organization can be possible by utilizing modern technology. See how a trusted food delivery business in Australia utilizes technology to effectively mitigate food safety risks with HACCP in this video.